we're done knocking on the door, because today we're installing our new battery-powered doorbell kit. It comes shipped to your door with everything you need to have you set up in minutes. Inside the box, you have your instructions. It comes with a baggie containing hardware, your tool, and adhesive strip, 3 AAA batteries. You have your doorbell, and then you have your battery-powered receiver. That's it, and that's all you need. Installation couldn't be easier. Put in your provided AAA batteries into your receiver, and you're good to go. Then, take the provided mini flathead screwdriver and push it into the indent to pop out the top of the doorbell. Carefully remove the top, and now you have access to your battery. Pull out the battery tab and make sure the battery is set properly. Then put the top back on. As you can see by the blue light, it's already powered on and ready to go. Next, find a spot to mount it. It's pretty small, so you could tuck it just about anywhere. When you find the perfect spot, we're going to use the sticky strip. So apply one side to the doorbell. Make sure that it's stuck well, and remove the back side of the sticky strip. Then, stick it where you want it. Give it a little pressure, and like that, you're good to go. Once you push the doorbell button, your receiver will activate and cause the receiver to chime as well as light up. No pairing necessary. The receiver has a range of 1,200 feet, and unlike other doorbell receivers, this one runs off batteries, so you can bring it with you just about anywhere and never miss the doorbell again. You can even adjust the volume and mute the doorbell altogether. This way, it just lights up. This is good if you have a sleeping baby or someone that you don't want to disturb. It has 36 different melodies, so you'll be sure to find your jam. I've been using stick-on doorbells for years, and they hold up strong, even from the elements, and I trust this one is no different. Have kids that love video games too much? Now you can page them when the food's ready, and make sure they know and don't starve. I can think of so many uses for these doorbells, and I couldn't be more excited to have some fine chimes when there's someone at my door. So if you're looking for an easy to install doorbell with tons of great features, this kit might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel, and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm off to go dance to my new favorite song. See ya.